Welcome back to Kick the Tires. Today we're going to be doing a carbon fiber overlay project on a 2016 GTR. I have been looking for a good interior carbon fiber product for a few months now, and we feel like we picked the right one. It is from RSW, and the main reason I really needed to get this is because of the center console has lots of nicks, and I have read that that is a common thing for the GTR. I wanted to provide a full review because there's really nothing that I could find on YouTube. I wanted to show even the packaging, and just so you guys have confidence in ordering this if you'd like to. As you can see, here's the packing. The instructions were in Japanese, so I had to get out my Google Translator and try to make sure there was nothing I was going to be missing in the instructions. And there was really nothing there to help me. As you can see in the packaging here, it was packed really well. I did order 4 different items for the car. One was the steering wheel overlay. The other one was for the window switches, and then around the air vents, and then the center console. It seemed to be packed well and no issues there. I did order this directly from RSW. I actually had to pay, I guess, in yen, and did that through my credit card that accepts international payments, and they do accept PayPal also, but it was cheaper to do it through my credit card. Saved a few bucks. As you can see here, the product is actually really nice, and they were very responsive and made me feel very comfortable because I ordered on August 31st. The next day they had an email to me to confirm the center console. There was a couple different ways they could have made it. There's like an extra inner part that goes around where you shift, and I did not want that. I wanted to keep that leather, and so the mold that they use is a little bit different if you're not going to buy the carbon fiber for the centerpiece. So that made me feel very comfortable. They also gave me some estimated dates. It ended up shipping on September 19th, and I had it by September 28th. It also came with the adhesive on the back, which so there were some other products that I don't think did. It was very easy to install. Just make sure that you clean the area real well. I used an alcohol pad to be able to do that, and cleaned all the spots where I was going to be putting the product down. And it was very easy. Just make sure when you put it down, you put it down exactly where you want it the first time, because you do not want to be pulling this back up and messing things up. RSW does also make for other vehicles. I'll try to list some things below for you guys to check that out. In this particular product, there were 4 different types of carbon you could order. I wanted to get what I thought would match the existing carbon fiber that was in the car, which was the 2x2 black matte finish. And I am very happy with how well it matched what was already there, which is kind of in your instrument panel, and it's also in where your radio is. When you get to the vents, as you can see, I'm matching it up to make sure that you put the line direction correctly. You want that to go in the same direction that all the other carbon is going. So just line that up, and then put that around the vent, and you're ready to go. But that lining up is important. So we're finished up now. As you can see, the vents have their rings. The center console looks 1000% better than what it did. The window switches, it just gives a little bit of accent there, and then around the steering wheel, just looks really nice and just gives it a really great touch. The matching, like I said earlier, is just seems to be perfect with what was existing in the car. You should have heard my exhaust in the background a second ago as a sneak peek to a future video. Very excited to introduce that and complete that video for you guys. So make sure you subscribe, and feel free to ask me any questions about this RSW carbon fiber overlay product. Thanks for watching.